Well, 2021 was a record-breaking year for the housing market. Home prices soared as sellers tried to cash in on the demand from potential buyers. Tenants also saw big increases in rent. Geena Arevalo tells us if these trends will continue next year and what the housing market could look like, so you're not caught off guard.
Finding the perfect home to purchase can be stressful.
Felt like we wanted to get a house badly, and there were some tough points, trying to find it.
But couple that with a booming housing market.
Homes we're looking at sold for almost half of the price.
And the surge intensifies even more.
We were worried if the prices were going to keep rising. If we waited any longer, we'd be able to afford a home in the future.
This was the feeling for Chad and Cherise Sanko and many other prospective buyers trying to snag a home in 2021, one of the hottest markets in U.S. history, according to online real estate marketplace Zillow.
We did feel kind of a sense of urgency, or else maybe we wouldn't be able to, secure a home that met our needs.
What goes up must come down, but that's not the case just yet with the housing market. Experts say while 2022 won't be as hot as 2021, housing prices will continue their upward trend, but more so due to supply constraints.
We still have supply chain, inflationary type costs pushing new construction pricing up.
Zillow's economic research team predicts an 11% home value growth in 2022. Kevin Reardon, real estate expert and clinical specialist of accounting and finance with Montclair State University, says the demand for housing plus inflation also led to higher rental costs in 2021. He says that could continue in the new year as well.
Because as housing prices increase, people's ability to buy that house diminishes because you need certain income levels and down payment requirements. So that forces a cohort of people back into the rental market.
So when will prices start dropping again? Reardon says that depends on supply.
If there's more supply, there could be kind of a downward pressure on pricing that way.
That's especially true in the rental market.
Need some type of supply jolt through some kind of public-private partnership affordability solutions.
If you're looking to buy, Reardon says it still may be tough, but pay close attention to listings in your area and the time of year.
There are less homes available during this time period, say October through February.
If you're putting your search on pause, Reardon suggests looking at multifamily homes as another option to consider.
You can live in the house, possibly, and rent part of it also, so it helps subsidize the cost that's required for you to own it.
Whichever route you decide, Chad and Cherise say don't give up.
Having, I think, a good real estate agent is probably the key. If that one doesn't work out, it wasn't meant to be your home, but we'll find one.
I'm Geena Arevalo reporting.